Are you mumbling? Are you talking about me?
No, ma'am.
I can hear you. Do you think I am deaf? I can hear you. I can hear you.
Sorry, ma'am. No.
I'm sorry.
Every day, every time you say sorry, but you never do your job well. You always make me. I don't want to angry, you know. Everyone say that I always angry. I'm not married yet because of you. You are the reason why I'm not married yet. Because you always make me angry. Anyone if want to come to me, they'll say, "Oh my God, do you think that I always angry? I'm fussy." No, I'm not fussy. I always do what I don't know how to say that. What are you doing now?
I'm gonna do my job, mom.
Okay. Mom? You call me mom?
Boss.
You call me mom? How long have you been working here?
7 months.
7 months? But you still don't know that I'm your boss. Call me Boss Zul.
Yeah.
Boss Zul. You don't know my name? Fuck you.
Oh.
I am the fuck stupid. Okay. I can stand now. Really, I can stand.
Relax, mom. Relax, boss. Relax, boss.
Take it easy. Now it's time to meet with Mr. Roy, you know. Mr. Roy is... Wait, now. Do you... Come on, but do it right now. Come on. Hey, you mean that I will take it?
Gonna come here.
What do you mean? Hand over this. Doesn't come yet. Come on, take it.
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm gonna join this right now.
Excuse me. Yes, sir.
My name is Mr. Roy. I have an appointment.
Okay, I will check it first.
Wait. Here, go ahead. It's okay. It's okay. Why is your boss so crazy?
Because I'm not yet do my.
Don't tell it. It's my job to tell to him.
You want my business or not? Then butt out while I talk to your officer here. Understand? Sit down.
This is my office.
Sit down.
This is my office, you know. This is my office. I don't want to sit down here. I don't care about all of this.
You want a better job? You want to make good money? You want to make good money? Follow me. You don't need a woman like this. Go ahead.
You want to fight with me?
With a boss like this, that calls me from America to come here and invest in a company like this. I take my money, I go elsewhere.
Go out now! You're talking about me.
I'm not talking to you.
You are talking about me.
I don't care.
But it's my office.
You-
This is my... Don't talk about me. Go out now. Harry,
Okay.
come here.
Wait.
Harry,
Okay.
come here.
Wait.
Harry, do you know Harry? He is my security.
You know what? Wait. Excuse me.
What the fuck you are? I hired to just do it. You cannot do that. Go out.
Excuse me, but I will take my billions of dollars and go somewhere else. I don't need a bitch like this to tell me what to do.